Steering response is critical, regardless of load or conditions. A failing power steering pump can lead to increased steering efforts and unwanted noise. The XDP Power Steering Pump is a 100% brand new solution designed to restore proper steering feel in your truck. It comes ready to drop in with most applications, including a new pulley and reservoir. In the box, you'll find the complete XDP Power Steering Pump assembly, along with an inspection report documenting its quality checks. And because it's built entirely of all new components, there's no core charge and no recycled internals. Internally, the pump is optimized for improved fluid flow, reducing the risk of cavitation and helping keep the system primed even under heavy load. All new bearings are used throughout the pump for reliability and a long service life. Restore the steering feel in your truck with the XDP Power Steering Pump. Get yours at xdp.com today or contact your local dealer.